And if you are interested in it, please contact us. And first, you can see this is the suspender rack of this model, and this one is the suspension. They are all made of high quality and high strength carbon steel. And this is the push handle, you can see. And here is the sling of this patient lift. It's made of high quality of nylon fabric, which can be washable, and you can wash it separately, so it's very convenient for you. And here are two 4-inch rubber wheels, and this is also the brake of the patient lift. And on this part, here are two 3-inch rubber wheels, and they are all 330 degrees swivel wheels. You can see. The using of these patient lifts is very smooth, and the max loading capacity of this model is 200 kg, so you don't worry about the loading capacity of this one. And here is the control box, and this is the remote controller for this patient lift. You can using the patient lift through this remote control. And when you want to using it, you can press on the button. And you can see here are two simple buttons for you. You can using it very convenient. Even the elderly person can using it. This one is for upper, and this one is for lower down. You can see. You need to press on this button. And when you want to lifting up the patient, you can press on this button. And that's okay. You can adjust the height for your requirement, and the slim of this model. We also have other types. You can choose what you want. 我都不知道要讲些什么。